I'm back because of some part is not recorded properly. So I just start over from implementation plan. The implementation plan is step-by-step plan for implementing project. Okay, define some your data structure and relationship. Implement function, implement revenue calculation, develop user interface, display, okay? Test each component individually and integrate them. Okay? And timeline, week 1 or 2, week 3 or 4, week 5 or 6, week 7 or 8, week 9 or 10. Okay, this is just a sample. So we have, I believe, how long? Week, our spring semester is and first week of May, so I believe a little bit shorter than week 10, right? So just make your timeline, okay? Right? Kind of change, but that's okay. This is the design, okay? And this design, there's scheduling. There is a two attachments, right? Beginner midterm.py and PDF, right? This okay, just open one of them. Okay, this is actually midterm exam final project design. Okay, designing your project. Okay, part 1 project overview 5 point, part 2 idea 5 point, implementation plan 5 point, and testing plan 5 point. Okay, just 4 part. Okay. Okay, simple midterm exam result output. This is your project documentation format. Okay, this is you can just follow this format. Otherwise, you can just describe all things like one page or 2 page. That's fine. So if you want whatever your format, your description, that's fine. But you have to describe everything. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, part 1 project overview and describe your project name and purpose. Okay, purpose of your project. That is the overview. Part 2 idea, inspiration of project. Why you choose this project? Why you gonna do change the copy system or library system or management